All right, looks like we got a older 10 seer, maybe 13 seer, I'm not sure. Older ream cutout on high pressure. Got the old school high pressure switch. Let's see what we got. 2003. So I got her on 10 to 12 seer, so I might not be right. Let's see what 13 does. See how that drops my head? I'm gonna go back. But I don't have time today to clean this coil right now. So let's see if it'll trip out. Let's put it on the hot gas. And Ty Brenneman always says, anything under 225, you stay alive. So I put my probe on the hot gas line. It looks like it's hanging in there. Now, mind you, my outdoor ambient, it's 78. It's decent today. So let's see what our subcool is. It's only been running for about 8 minutes. So it looks like I can come back and do a coil cleaning on this. It's pretty bad. So that cuts out the contactor. I don't have the indoor probes hooked up yet. I just got here, but that would be a good second step. But as of right now, it looks like I got a little wiggle room to come back. I think next system we're going to probably get it out of here, maybe move it over there, extend the copper line set and go out, get a little bit more breathing room. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.